Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session I'm going to share with you one of the most important sum. So it is example 2 of statistics chapter 14. The table below gives the percentage distribution of female teachers in the primary schools of rural areas of various states and union territories of India. Find the mean percentage of female teachers using all the three methods. They have given us the class intervals and the frequency. We have to find the mean using all the three methods. So let us do it. So friends, I have copied the same question here vertically. They have given us the class intervals and the frequency. We have to do the sum using all the three methods, that is the direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. So first let us start with the direct method. For that we need the value of xi, right? So how can we find the value of xi? It is the mid value of class intervals, that is 15 plus 25 by 2 is 20. 25 plus 35 by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 by 2 is 60. 65 plus 75 by 2 is 70. 75 plus 85 by 2 is 80. Now we got all the values of xi. So we have to multiply these two columns, that is fi and xi. On multiplying these two columns, we get the answer as 6 into 20 is 120. 11 into 30 is 330. 7 into 40 is 280. 4 into 50 is 200. 4 into 60 is 240. 70 into 2 is 140. And 80 into 1 is 80. Fine. So we have to add all these values, that is sigma, fi, xi. So on adding all these values, you get the answer as 1390, that is 1390. Now sigma fi. Okay, so on adding all the values of a frequency, the answer will be 35. So we know the formula for mean of direct method. It is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. That is, when we substitute all the values here, it will become 1390 by 35. You get the answer as 39.71. Okay, so in my introduction video, I have already explained you how to do the sums and what are the formulas, so you can check it out. I will be giving the link in the description box, okay, so that you will understand very better, because there I have explained you the formulas. Now as we did the sum using the direct method, so we will do it using the second method, which is assumed mean method. For that we have to find the value of di. Di is xi minus a. So we have to assume one value of as a, that is generally we take the mid value. So I'm taking 50 as my mid value. Okay, so here 50 minus 20, it is minus 30. Next no, actually we have to write like this. Fine. Next 30 minus 50 is equals to minus 20. 40 minus 50 is equals to minus 10. 50 minus 50 is 0. 60 minus 50 is equals to 10. 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. 80 minus 50 is equals to 30. So now we got all the value of di. We have to multiply these with fi. Okay, so it is fi and di. So minus 30 into 6 is minus 180. Minus 20 into 11 is minus 220. Minus 10 into 7 is minus 70. 0 into 4 is 0. 10 into 4 is 40. 2 into 20 is 40. 30 into 1 is 30. So we got all the values of fi di. We have to just add them. Sigma fi di. So it will be equal to, so when you add, just I'm doing the rough here, minus 180, minus 220 and minus 70. Minus 470 and 40 plus 40, 80, 110. So it is minus 360. Okay, so we know the value of Fi. Now we will substitute these values into the formula. So what is the formula for assumed mean method? It is A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi. So A is what we have assumed, the value, that is 50. So 50 plus minus 360 by sigma Fi is 35. So 50 minus 360 by 35. Okay, so on doing the calculation, you get the answer as 39.71. Okay, next, now as we did the sum using direct assumed mean method, it's time to do it with the step deviation method, which is the last method. Okay, so for doing that, we need to find the value of ui. So ui is d by h. So h is nothing but the difference between the class intervals, that is upper boundary minus lower boundary. So when you subtract 25 minus 15, the answer is 10. So now di is minus 30. So minus 30 by 10 is minus 3. Minus 20 by 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. 0 by 10 is 0. 10 by 10 is 1. 20 by 10 is 2. And 30 by 10 is 3. Okay, we got all the values of ui. We have to multiply it with fi. Okay, so what is ui fi? So we have to multiply these two columns, that is ui and fi. So 6 into 3 is 18, but it is minus 18. Okay, now 11 into minus 2 is minus 22. 1 into 7 is minus 7. 4 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 3 into 1 is 3. Now sigma fi and ui is equal to minus 36. Okay, so we have to substitute all these values into the formula. So the formula of step deviation method is a plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay, so a is 50. Okay, next, plus minus 36 by 35 into h is 10. Okay, so it will be 50 plus minus minus 36 into 10 is 360 by 35. The answer will be 39.71. So friends, as you observed, by doing the mean, finding the mean using all the three methods, we got the same answer, that is 39.71. So therefore the mean percentage of female teachers in the primary school of rural areas is 39.71. In this way, we have to find the mean using all the three methods. It is very easy, but the thing is you have to concentrate. Thank you, friends. Please do subscribe to my channel. That will boost my confidence and I can do more videos that will be very useful for you. So hit the bell icon and share it with your friends. Like it. Thank you.